Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm discussing chronic stress and some symptoms of adrenal fatigue. So adrenal fatigue certainly is something that I've discussed, some of the causes of adrenal fatigue and how we really have to focus in on brain health as well, because there's something in our brain that is actually the master controller of our adrenal glands. So make sure you check out my other videos on that. But some of the symptoms include hair loss. So this can be related to thyroid function, but often thyroid and adrenal function go hand in hand, as well as pain in the neck and in the upper back in the trapezius region. And this is often when people are stressed out. You may have experienced this yourself, that you just have a lot of that muscle tension in this area, but that can be related to the adrenals as well as weight gain, but especially in the midsection. So we know that apple body shape is very common with people who have gained weight because of stress reasons and their cortisol levels, again related to adrenal fatigue, as well as getting sick often and difficulty in recovering. So let's say you get a cold or a flu and you have difficulty bouncing back and it's lasting a little bit longer than what it should. This can be a sign of that adrenal fatigue or exhaustion as well as sensitivity to light. And this is common in those people that are stressed out and their adrenals have become depleted in their function, as well as hypoglycemia. So this is something that, you could be craving a lot of the sweets, but I often find that craving for sweet and salty foods can actually be another indication of adrenal fatigue. And this is because you may be craving the salt because with adrenal fatigue, there could be a lower aldosterone level and an excretion of more of the minerals in the urine, and that's why your body is actually craving having more of that salt to replenish. So another symptom could be dry skin and chronically dry skin. You feel that you need to always be moisturizing and it doesn't quench that dryness in the skin. This could be related to the adrenal function as well as poor memory and, difficulty with those connections and those neural connections. Another symptom is orthostatic hypotension. So what this means is that when your blood pressure is lower when you stand up, and you may have experienced this if you get up too quickly from either sitting or lying down, and you get up and your head is kind of woozy and you feel like, whew, that doesn't feel right, and your blood pressure is very low on standing. And this is something that definitely practitioners will check when they're checking for adrenal exhaustion and adrenal fatigue, is they'll check your blood pressure lying down, but also as you're standing up, and to see if there's a difference. Really, the blood pressure should go up as you stand up, but when the adrenals are exhausted, it can go down. So some of the GI symptoms of adrenal fatigue could be slower bowel, so constipation, but it could be the other way as well with diarrhea and frequent stools, and they could actually be alternating between the constipation and the diarrhea, which can be very common with adrenal fatigue. Now, when we talk about moods, there could be low energy, which can be related to the thyroid, but also feeling low in terms of depression and depressive disorders can be related to adrenal exhaustion as well as low body temperature, which again can be related to that thyroid function. A decrease in sex drive and libido in both men and women can be related to low adrenal function. And those of you who startle easily, so whether your cell phone, rings or you're watching something and it startles you very easily, this can be a sign of adrenal exhaustion as well. So I hope that you learned something new today. Be sure to share this video with your friends. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other symptoms that that you're experiencing and you're wondering if that's related to adrenal fatigue or exhaustion. Also, be sure to give me a big thumbs up on this video. I truly appreciate all of your positive feedback. And if you're new here, welcome in. I hope that you subscribe and you also click that bell to turn on all of the notifications to get my newest and latest uploads, which is happening every single day. Remember to always take good care of your health and to do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.